Hi guys, today I am with a new product, that is USHA Induction Cooktop. I bought this in this big billion day from Flipkart and the price was listed as 1730 with all offers applied. So let's do the unboxing of it. But before that, you can see this, the price mentioned is 3890. It is manufactured in February 2021 and the power is 1600 watt. First let's do the unboxing and then we will find out how the product is. One strange thing is that Flipkart has not packed it with the proper packaging. They have just attached the bill over here and they send me this only with the original packet. I will keep this box aside. This is a manual for this. I hope warranty should be mentioned over here somewhere. Yeah, so warranty is mentioned in the last page. Some features has been mentioned over here with how to use, what is the advantages of that manual work. I will keep this aside also. Now let's have a proper look on this. So this is the overall look of this. I should remove this sticker from here. Yes. And now one thing is I noticed, that is in few of the induction cooktops you will not find this pause button, which is very useful when you are using it. Other than that, you will find few specific buttons for specific operations, like if you are cooking milk or tea, frying something, making idli, for that making curry, dosa, roti, and for manual thing. So you can use this manual whenever you want without going for this specific button. This is when you will increase the temperature and decrease, you can set over a timer over here. And that's it guys, seems like a good product. I will use this and let you know what is the quality of it. It comes with few warranties. I will check that one, how much warranty they are giving. Yeah, 1 year warranty they are providing with all repairs, and they have mentioned like home service. Let's see, but not sure whether they will give that home service or we need to carry this out to the service center. Now I will plug in this and try to check whether it is working or not. Let's find out. So guys, I want to mention another thing. This plug size seems to be bigger than the usual plug points available with other electric appliances. So like before going with this USHA cooktop, just make sure that in your house there is a bigger port to fit with this plug, else it will be difficult to manage. It will fit with this type of bigger ports, that is here. I will try to fit it over here and we'll turn this induction on. Let's power this on. Now see, first it will blink. Now you have to turn this button on, and after that you can increase, decrease. You can manually set what you want. Right now it is manual. You can try for this milk, and based on that this timer will flip. Thank you guys for watching these videos.